fellows, this video is packed with expert tips and shortcuts and hacks to take your LTspice skills to next level. This overall tutorial has 5 sections: place component modes, schematic and symbol editing modes, undo, redo, rotate and mirror, zoom and grid. In today's video, we will be covering place components modes. Rest of the sections will be covered in the subsequent videos. Let's move to the cover one by one the shortcuts which we are focusing today. To place a capacitor, I will press C. The capacitor will be highlighted. If I want to place on the screen, I will press enter. Otherwise, I can toggle to the other component. If I press the enter, capacitor is placed. If I want to toggle to a resistor, press R. If I want to toggle to a inductor, press L. If I want to toggle to the diode, press D. If I want to toggle to a voltage source, press V. Then you are toggle to the voltage source. Any component if you want to place, press the mouse right side of the mouse R. You press the mouse R. You can press the enter on the keyboard. Either way is okay. Now if you want to zoom all our schematic to the screen, press the space key. If you want to, the next is if you want to find any component rather than these all components you have just placed, you can press F2 or function F2. In this, the component dialog box is open. You can find any component you want to place. Yeah, you can search over here. Let's say I want to find a transistor, I want to find a capacitor, I want to find a resistor. This is another way to place any component. Then you can select OK. The component will be toggled to the screen. So the next quick hack is if you want to draw a wire, you can press F3 or function F3. Both are okay. In some laptops it will the F3 will work, but in some laptops you need to press function F3. Now if you want to draw a wire of any length, you draw it, and if you want to finish the drawing of your wire, just press escape. So this is the function. The final function is, let's say you want to draw a wire at angle from one place to another place. At that time you need to hold control key and draw. I hold control key, then you need to start hold control. First of all you need to select the draw function, then hold control key, then you draw to the specific space you want to draw. The wire is drawn. So now the symbol is out of page. You want to press the whole schematic fit to the page. You just press space key, the whole schematic is visible to you. Now again, let's say I want to draw a wire from this angle to this angle. I just highlighted the draw. For draw, short key is press F3. Draw is highlighted. I place my key over here. Then to make it on an angle, press hold control. Now it is being drawn on an angle till this point. That is done. So these are the few keys which were covering component modes in the LTspice. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in the next part.